story in just a tick. Now, a confident national junior team departed the island on Thursday for the 52nd staging of the Carifta Track and Field Championships in Trinidad and Tobago. The team of 84 athletes, including some of the island's most talented juniors, are aiming to top the medal standings for a 39th consecutive year. Medal prospects, quarter miler Marcinia Rose, sprinter Sabrina Dockery, and sprint hurdler Daniel Clark shared their goals heading into the championships.
First and best for sure, and you see where it goes from there.
Probably a goal, maybe, who knows, and maybe better time.
I have a positive mindset and I know my capabilities, so can expect great things.
Sports Minister Olivia Babs-Grange, who was among the dignitaries present to send the team off, says the government contributed $5 million to support this year's Carifta squad.
And we are confident that our investment in these young people is very, very worthwhile and that we will see tremendous results as we have always seen.
Technical leader David Riley says that the athletes have gotten adequate rest coming out of the Boys and Girls Championships at the end of March, and he's expecting good results from the team.
Well, we're looking forward to having a great time competing in Trinidad. We are taking some of our best athletes to Trinidad, and of course the expectations of the Jamaicans are that the athletes will go there and represent us, and I think from my interaction with them so far, they are very much sold the mission, and we're going there to compete in a normal Jamaican style.
Jamaica dominated the Carifta Championships in Grenada last year with 83 medals, including 44 gold, 23 silver and 16 bronze. The Carifta Track and Field Championships will run from April 19 to 21 in Trinidad and Tobago.